This is a public service announcement by Briana Roberts. So, what's going on? There have been multiple sightings of dangerous cnidarians, echinoderms, and mollusks along the coasts of US and Australia. This video will be used to inform you on how to identify and avoid these venomous creatures. So first, let's talk about cnidarians. Cnidarians' most distinguishing features are their tentacles and lack of cephalization. The nematocytes within their tentacles are what create the painful sting. Their body is called the mesoglia, which consists almost entirely of water. No wonder they have such a painful defense mechanism. The Atlantic sea nettle has been spotted multiple times on the beaches in Virginia and along the East Coast. This jelly is bell-shaped with small white dots and reddish-brown stripes, but if they don't have stripes, they usually appear white or opaque. When you're stung, the sea nettle will eject the venom-coated filament into the host. These stings are only moderate in intensity, but severe allergic reactions are known to occur. Such symptoms include a rash, welts, and redness on the area of contact. Once stung, just lightly mist the area with vinegar to degrade the nettle's protein. Pain should only last about 20 minutes, but if pain persists, immediately seek medical attention. Next, let's talk about mollusks, but more specifically the cone snail. This is one of the most smallest and venomous animals of the mollusca phylum. All cone snails are venomous and capable of stinging, but they usually show a large variety of colors and patterns, which lead people to want to pick them up and collect them. But do not pick these guys up unless you're well protected. Cone snails use a radula and a venom gland to attack and paralyze their prey before engulfing it. The tooth, which is similar to a dart or a harpoon, is barbed and can be extended some distances out from the snail's head. The geographer cone, or Conus geographus, is found in reefs in the Indo-Australian region. The shell is broad, thin, and cylindrically flattened. The color is pink, white, and occasionally reddish. The geographer cone has the most toxic sting known among the conus species and is responsible for more than 30 human fatalities. Unfortunately, there is no antivenom for a cone snail's sting, and treatment consists of keeping the victim alive until the toxins wear off. The conotoxin for this geographer cone is the sleeper peptide, which is known to cause neuronal apoptosis, pain, and epilepsy. Lastly, we'll discuss echinoderms. Sea urchins are part of this phylum, and they're spiny, globular sea creatures that can live at extremely wide range of depths. The urchins move slowly, crawling with their 2 feet and sometimes pushing themselves with their spines. But the black long-spined urchin has been identified in Australia, Japan, and even southeastern Africa. The venom of this urchin is mild, but if it's left untreated, it can cause a really bad infection. Granuloma and skin staining from the natural dye can also happen. These urchins inflict a painful wound when they penetrate human skin, but the spines themselves are not dangerous if they're removed promptly. Just use tweezers to remove the large spines. Once you do this, wash the affected areas with soap and water. So hopefully this PSA helped you and you'll be more cautious and aware when you're on the beaches of North America and Australia. Just stay cautious and be safe out there.